Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good night in Japan, maybe. Hope all is good and you are having fun as much as I do, because then your day would be bright as the sun is. So let's get into this. I closed IQ, so my commands, they don't work now. There you go. Oh, this one is free. Okay, let me see. All right, so is it? Wow. There you go. Ah, there you go. Okay, so what we have here is today's. Let me put this on just today. All right. So this was going on today, and we have had some news pre-market, and that's why market is a little bit weak. Oh, holy. And this one. Right. Yeah. By the way, I'm wearing pants working from home. Where is it? The thing is, even if I'm working from home, it doesn't mean that I don't need to have like that stance and a professional stance, even if when I'm at home alone, right? I'm working from my room, from my office, not my room. So what do we have now? For today, we have had pre-market news, and then there's nothing important. And today is Thursday, and there's nothing more to the end of the week. So whatever trend that we pick up, there is nothing to uh, fundamentally and by news to stand by the market. So market is open already. It just opened 30 seconds ago, and you see how quiet it is. Um, so let's take a look at the SPY, obviously at the first glance, to see that what's going on. So here we have, okay, so I'm getting alerts. Hold on. Who is sending this alert? Most prob it's the daily. Okay, bro, chill. Somebody called on the indicator. I mean, I just see a huge short possibility today. It can today the market can wash off, and so this is what we have. This move with the very awkward doji. Okay, okay. So with this thingy up here, the doji, this shows a sign of weakness with a very high volume. So this says a lot that we could just go a little bit sidewalk. We should go for a little bit of side move, and we can get a little bit of this here, right? So market could stall. On the other hand, Qs are gapping lower, a hammer on top. Uh, Yes, I should say quite a hanging man actually. The two assets after each other, but it could go anywhere. Like it doesn't need, as it doesn't have a direction, clear direction now. I'm not able to make a clear decision on where it can go. Holy Jesus, just $1 of stuff. Just $1. Look at this. Look at this. Jesus, it's just from here to here. Look at that. $1. Mamma mia! What's happening here? Okay. So we wait for the cues to form an opinion. And then what's going on here? Yeah. So normally when I'm trading with DAS, okay, on this screen, when I'm trading with DAS, it's already here. Down here at the bottom is daily and SPY, and then 2 active time frames. But here I don't have those. So market is washing it off, and that's what I said. It can happen. It can just take a turn and go back up. Now what I'm going to do is to just add cam, okay, to my chart, and call off the level S1R, S1 R1 R5 SR2 S2, and just leave the PS3 PS4 and S3 S4. The levels actually down here at LOD right now, as we what we are observing right down here is the buy, and it's a very good buy, but we'll see that if I'm going to actually get anything executed at that level or not. So okay, NVIDIA. Okay, we started with R4 like always. 47, 49, 47, 49, 47, 47, 50. 439.70. This is a nice hammer. If it pushes, because you see this is the high of yesterday. If this pushes back up, it would be a nice entry. My entry, it is 38 cents. We are 70 cents. I can go with 200 or so. We have S 2411. 2411. As I said, I didn't even see the level, and I recognize that something is happening over there. And but market could just dip into 1632, 1632. Market could dip down a little bit and then push up to the upside, and which would be all right. But the only thing is to be aware that this is where we are and what's happening. We are done with IBKR. So I need an alert when market pushes back up. This is yesterday's high, as I mentioned. So it's normal that we are a little bit, we are facing a little bit of resistance to go back up. Qs on the other hand, as you can see, Qs on the other hand, actually, let me see. Qs on the other hand, you can see that they don't face so much difficulty because high of yesterday is up here. Pre-market was not even strong enough to get up there. So in pre-market, there are not so many players that are investing in moving to the upside today. So we will see what happens. There are lots of mixed signals today. So need to reduce the size and be aware of this could go wrong, very quickly. So we'll see. Maybe I have to wait until I grab pieces of NVIDIA at R4. Probably. Je sais pas. Okay. So, well, I'm just prepared. Now it's just a game of waiting. I just need to wait to see what's going on. I want to make my channel intro for morning a little bit more appealing to the eye. Another word for making it gorgeous. All right. So it looks like market is getting its strength. I'm not gonna say back, but it's pushing to the upside. So if this hammer breaks to the upside, I would be much interested in buying this. I'm just afraid that it may want to do 5-minute range breakout like yesterday. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. No, the day before yesterday. This is still breaking to the upside. Yep, this is a push. And I would pretty much like to buy this. It's consolidating volume. Even this candle is smaller, the volume significantly smaller. Maybe I give it a chance so it falls back down. Then when the face is on the ground, it goes back up. Let me take a photo for my companion, for my trade accountability partner. Oh. Okay, getting ready for a push to the upside, going in with the long. Now we just wait to see what happens. My stop is down below VWAP. Just need to give it more room to wiggle. And what the poet says, wiggle, 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 wiggle. What? Oh, I made a mistake. It's sizing. I knew that something is going wrong. The sizing was wrong based on previous calculations, and well, previous calculation was on basis on 100, so 5 would be 500, and 1 would be 100. But here I can buy 50. I can buy less than quantities less than 100. So Actually, what I want to do, set Okay, what's the status of the Qs? Already making a hole in the chart. So here I'm going to set trailing stop for 150, 150, and 150. So this is normal for to have a touch up, to have a retraced and a touch on the previous former high during the day at least once, and this could be that point of touch. I'm not a big fan of this heavy move with the heavy volume coming in. You can see that there is a Qs are a little bit indecisive in the essence of bullish move. And on 15 minutes, we are getting a little bit of funky funky push to the downside. There's a little bit of divergence between Qs and NVIDIA at the moment. And NVIDIA is pushing down, Qs are holding. Let me see what SPY is doing. SPY is still strong up, so I'm expecting this move will be temporary and just it continue to push back up. If not anything otherwise, down here it would be my exit. And the move is NVIDIA is heavy on Qs. I'm expecting a significant push to the upside any minute now. 1 minute left. So SPY, you can see Qs is strongly, they're pushing to the upside. You can see Qs are strongly pushing to the upside, but NVIDIA is still holding a little bit. And this push cannot be sustainable, especially in the index that, let me just check SOXL. Let's check XOXL, SOXL, the semiconductors index. It wouldn't hurt that I put it up here. Create a new folder. Okay, let me put it right up here. I guess that would, the easiest would be to create one in here. And that it opens two different instances of trading and streaming. So my expectation for this trade would be that at this thing to pushes back up right now heavily, and it retraces to its current previous trend, and you can see the spread is widening to the upside. And yeah. Okay, let's see what I'm doing here. That's funny. This doesn't look good, to be frank. Normally it's a shred, and I gotta get out of this trade. Let's see. Yep, I have to get out. otherwise it get worse. If it loses tail, the gap is ugly and looks bearish, to be frank. And it is where it can go completely to the upside. You're right on S4. And I need to wait to see that what is the output of this. Bat sizing up here. Bat sizing up here caused me this issue. So SOXL is held by S4. So but it already broke the level and looks very bearish. So I'm looking forward to get to a monthly low now. Just leave this thing to go its own way. So 2 minutes in and already market has done its own upward move. So I'm expecting for the last 20 to 30% of the move, which would be translates from the third to fifth minute, market starts to push to the downside, continue its own downside, because it cannot just drop just goes in one direction. Market should go in both directions to have a balance. And XOSL is static, but so as Nvidia. But maybe it's something wrong with my feed. So the third minute started. As I mentioned, the upward move, the move that it's there to fear, to scare you and pushes you out, has happened. So XOSXL is pushing to the downside. Qs, I have to check actually Qs. Our Qs is pushing to the upside, which is this is bad. For my trade, this is no good. I need a weak Q. I need a weak stage situation of you. Jesus Christ, look at the SPY ripping. It's actually the main reason that the whole market is pushing to the upside. If it pushes to the upside, I'm going to close all of these trades. Just push back, sit back. But I don't think it's gonna be moving to more to the upside, especially that we have S3 ahead of us. Not ahead of us, on top of the price. As I said, a weak Q is my friend now. But building a position. I'm going to heavily add once that it starts to break to the above VWAP and consecutively above yesterday's high. Basically, it will be when market goes green again. The market has not already moved, and I'm 1/3 of what is been today's loss back in. So just if it gets even to the back of the HOD, I'm already in a very sweet profit. Not only recover the profit loss from today, but also be in a sweet profit. Okay, this is a good push, and I'm going to be heavily adding once the day goes green, which is still has not done that. So 70% away from recovering today's loss, 30% away, even less, 20%. And obviously the market gonna be pushing back when it's gonna go today red to green, green to red to green, yeah. But for me, it's based on what I see on XOL and Qs are both bullish. Yeah, and I'm just needs a little bit of time, a little bit of push. I mean, to be frank, I'm not feeling comfortable with having these two on, but I'm just going to have having a back screen down here. This is my NVIDIA is lagging now, and the moment that the lag is over and it's pushing to the upside at the same speed that it pushed back down, it will easily break to HOD. You can see there's a huge gap with over 50 cents and now $1 a spread. Like, are you serious? Oh, sorry. Push. What are you waiting for? Everything is approaching to HOD. What the hell is holding back Q down? Oh, Q is hitting what? You're not serious. Ah. Oh, come on, man. You should see the numbers, how they jump up and down. I'm dealing with the spread of what? 50 cents, 80 cents, $1. This is not tradable. $48 seconds left to the closure of the candle. I'm pretty sure it will do another push. It looks like the push is to the downside instead of more to the upside. I'm not gonna reconcile to this move. Just keeping it tight and in order. Ten, 1, there you go. I'm looking for a push to the upside. Patience, the young one. Oh, sorry, I forgot this. My apologies. If you have lived in Caribbean, this doesn't have as much as joy that it has now. If you have lived there, you see how much suffrage you're gonna go through because of this all the time. In the music, in the reggaeton, in the everywhere, in the taxi, in the 12 at night. So the push is not in my favor. And from plus 4,300 is pushing back to minus 1,100. What's going on with this? Oh.
Incoming mail.
Okay. I'm waiting for the crack of LOD. I cannot trade this. I'm using a high lot and freaking spread is widening $1. Look at this, 80 cents of spread. This is a huge drop now. So all of I'm releasing some margin, and as soon as this goes, I mean, I cannot add any more trade, but I can, even with holding whatever that I am holding, I'm very close to reaching today's covering today's losses. So yeah, Q is pushed up to the upside. We still have a strong push behind us. I'm going to make some cushion. As you can see here, we are just about to break a HOD. Get the volume came in. S4 held like a champ, and this is a classic breakout to the breakout of HOD. The only thing is that if Q is going to help or not, because I'm in a very good situation now with the with my trades, all of these trades down here. So when it goes green, this candle goes green again, I'm going to push it to the upside again. Now spread is 10 cents. Oh, that's nice. Yesterday's high is holding very strong. There's gonna be another push. I'm just looking for a classic candle. You can see how it's coiling inside of one day. You can see here from down here, LOD to HOD. As I said, it's gonna make a range, and it did the range. It just doesn't know where it want to go. I think still there's a good potential for upside. It's going to push the upside, but if it wants to drop, I need it to drop, form one of these underneath here, and then keep going. Until then, I'm working on my stuff. So at this point, I think it's not out of use to put this. DJ Dale! Yeah, so so I don't know, for some reason my camera is not oh, I know why. I know why. Yeah. Where is it? USB display capture, no talk. I know what's happening. There you go. So so I'm going to add, once that starts to break to the upside, I'm going to add maybe 500 more. Yeah. Not yet. With the situation that Q's is facing, I'm not sure adding is a good solution. It would be even a smart idea to take 100 off of this, and so as this one. I will add more if it starts to go move to the upside, because it's weak to break HOD, and I have no conviction about continuation of this. It could continue, but so far I don't know. XOSL is falling back, Qs are falling back. This is doomed. So we continue music. Yeah. We continue the music. It's just there is no harmony in the size of the fire and the camera. Well, as I said, it was a smart idea to just keep an eye on this thing, and it still is. It's just about to be wiped out. Just about to. So at the moment the spread is 90 cents. Like it's a joke. 90 cents spread. 90 cents. Now it's 30. It's not a bad idea to go short now on Qs, but the thing is I'm not trading Qs. Gut. Sehr gut. Das ist sehr gut. Très bien. Trop bon. It's doomed. But I'm just going to respect my stop. So whatever happens here, we're going to continue the Disco Partisani here. I requested a chat GPT for a script. Let's go see if the script is working. ID test double click. So global variables. Untick. So now that it didn't fail and it actually keep going, there's a huge chance that this may continue. I'm going to add 200 shares to my share size, and I will take a new position on the breakup HOD. This could probably go up, make an arc, and come back down again. But so far, everything looks good. There's a good chance that this may become continuation of the breakout, or it can just hover around this area and just So I already made 100 with this trade that is just hovering right up here. And in case that this starts to become a failed, there you go. I didn't even get to finish what I want to say. So we'll see what is happening. So let's go back to music. At least tomorrow you're gonna have some. This is the dead silent zone. I don't like it. Let's see what's going on here. With TV, trade. Oh, the app is dead. Oh, both trades are out. Ah, got disconnected again. Hello. So I think I'm done for today unless we reach up here, and I'm going to short everything from up here again. But we'll see. If it starts to break on heavy volume, I may join in with 500 shares. Just get it right. Just quick scalp. Otherwise, there has not been anything significant going on today. I'm still here. I'm still gonna stay here. Let's go music. I want some flamenco. I want some chill, easy music. Um. So orchestra. Oh, acoustic. Jesus. That was a quick move. I mean, I reached at some point I reached 580, but I just closed everything on 250. As I said, that on a breakout HOD, I'm going to grab some, but this the spread is mind blowing. At the moment, it's $1. Like, come on, man. I mean, come on. Hence, that's why I just didn't do what just happened right there. Okay, let's go. Let me see what I've been recording a lot of things now. Let me see if I haven't properly ordered. I just noticed whatever I have done for recording this thing has not worked well. I'm pissed now. Okay, I'm a call off the recording now, and maybe come back later, maybe not. Depends on if there's anything to do. Yeah. Okay, take care. Okay, take care. See you tomorrow. Is this thing working?